is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Take a look at this. The aspen starting to change in the hills above Keystone. Shout out to Peggy for sending that. When you snap pics this weekend, show us your Colorado color. Post those pics up on our Facebook page, KOAA5. Live, we go outside right now in Colorado Springs. Resplendent sunshine all day long, all across the Pikes Peak region. Good day in Pueblo to sit real close to that Riverwalk and trying to stay cool by the water. That's live from Trinidad, Fisher's Peak off in the distance. It is really going to be hot this weekend, feeling a lot more like July, certainly not mid-September. We'll be at 89 degrees both Saturday and Sunday in Colorado Springs. No moisture, not even any clouds across the viewing area. Pueblo, if you like it hot, I've got you covered. 96 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. A lot of September sizzle in your extended forecast as well. Here's your big weather story. This is why it's been so hot around here again tomorrow. High pressure feeding that surface trough out to the east of us. That creates that downslope flow around here. So feeling a little like Phoenix, certainly not eastern Colorado in mid-September. You get a big helping of sunshine as we work through your finally Friday. And man, is it going to be hot. Record highs tomorrow again across parts of the viewing area. Outside right now, you can see the wind pretty light across both Colorado Springs and Pueblo. We'll have mainly calm conditions overnight tonight. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. Enjoy the cool tomorrow morning. 8 a.m. we're in the 60s. Not a cloud to be found anywhere in that sky. Heating up quickly by 11 a.m. 81 and 84 degrees. During the mid-afternoon hours, clouds still non-existent around here. That's a product of that area of high pressure just suppressing all the available moisture out of the atmosphere. Tomorrow, high school football. They kick off at 7 p.m. in the Springs. It'll be 79. Pueblo, you boys better stay hydrated. Even at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, 87 degrees. Here's how dry it's going to be around here tomorrow. Mid-afternoon humidity only in the single digits. That will bring with it elevated fire danger. Wind not out of control tomorrow, but even a light breeze when it's this dry and those fuels are starting to dry out as well will create some dangerous fire conditions. All right, the very latest on Hurricane Florence. It's a Category 2, still a very powerful, very dangerous storm system. Latest coordinates 85 miles east of Wilmington, North Carolina. It's moving off to the northwest at a very slow rate of speed. You can see those outer bands already spreading a lot of water across the coastline there. Winds right now maximum sustained at 100 miles per hour. Here's the projected track. It's going to make landfall early tomorrow morning close to Wilmington, North Carolina as a Category 2. It'll weaken to a Category 1. It'll then push into portions of South Carolina, coming close to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, then moving up into the Appalachians throughout the weekend. But here's your bottom line. A very dangerous storm system. Storm surge anywhere from 6 to 11 feet. Very heavy rain as well. Some areas could get close to 40 inches of rainfall. Obviously, massive and widespread flooding, devastation imminent from North Carolina into South Carolina with Hurricane Florence. Pueblo, 99, your afternoon high. Missed that all-time record high by just 1 degree today. It's just crazy to talk about highs at 99 degrees this time of year. Again, as I told you at the top of the show, all of August you didn't hit 99. In the Springs, 91 degrees today after a nice morning low of 59 degrees. Outside right now, still sizzling along the Arkansas River. Pueblo is the hot spot in the entire state right now. Canyon City at 90. We're currently 87 degrees in Colorado Springs. With this dry air, the sun sets, the air cools nicely. Very comfortable night tonight. Overnight lows dropping back into the 40s and 50s. Tomorrow in the Springs, again up to 91. That'll be hot enough for a brand new all-time record high. The record tomorrow is 89. Pueblo, I've got you at 97. That will be hot enough to tie the all-time record high temperature for the date. And I know it's mid-September, but I've got to remind you, with weather this hot, you need to stay hydrated. Always keep your body fueled up with fuels, a lot of water, a lot of sports drinks, things like that. Use the sunscreen if you're going to be outdoors for an extended period of time. And of course, you never ever want to leave kids or pets in a car. In Colorado Springs, no big change here over the next several days. Weekend temperatures close to 90 degrees with sunshine both of those days. I know you've got outdoor activities this weekend. Again, sunscreen a necessity and stay hydrated. Cool front comes in late Monday night. Will be about 5 degrees cooler on Tuesday, but nothing dramatic. This is the time of year we start seeing strong cold fronts, but there's certainly nothing in that extended forecast. Pueblo, that heat, a hard habit to break. You're just locked into a holding pattern. It'll break a little by Tuesday with that high cooling back to 91 degrees. Seems funny to say cooling to 91 in mid-September, but that's the case. A little cooler still with another front coming in by next Thursday. Canyon City, you'll want to post up real close to the Arkansas River this weekend. Lots of sun, and you will get sunburned if you don't use that sun sauce. Cooling to 84 degrees on Thursday. but it's going to be dry for the next 7 days. Even in Woodland Park, warm and dry, the main message for the weekend. If you're headed up to Spinney or 11 Mile, maybe the North Slope Recreation area, you will not have to dodge any weather problems. It's just going to be sunny throughout the weekend. All right, time